This is so amazing, guys. Boracay is so beautiful. Ang ganda dito. The vibe is just perfect. You have to experience this. So we're here in Boracay. Ang daming tao. And we're going street shopping. So exciting. Ang ganda dito. Look at the sand. Sobrang pino. And the water is so clear. This is paradise. Sobrang saya dito sa Boracay, guys. The waves are perfect for surfing today. It's so amazing. Woo! Ellis, this is so much fun. I love Boracay. So guys, andito ako ngayon sa local town. Sobrang ganda dito.
Hi, Pinay Traveler!
Hi! So, andito tayo sa palengke.
Hi, Pinay Traveler!
Hi! Wow, ang dami. Kuya, pag dumami yung subscribers ko, kikiss kita.
Oy guys, subscribe na kayo!